Good morning, students. Welcome to 5th Standard Social Science class. I am your social science teacher. My dear children, God is the wonderful creator of the universe. He has complete and total authority over the universe. He loves us and all of creation more than we can possibly know or even imagine. God created nature and created man to have power over nature. God gives us this world to take care of and use wisely. Dear children, in today's session we are going to learn about lesson 2 towards history. History means all the events of the past. Come children, let us learn. Life of early humans. My dear children, can you imagine a life without the houses we live in? Television, schools, delicious food, means of transport and communication? It would be so difficult. In this chapter, we will see how early humans lived and how do they become civilized. Our ancestors were once uncivilized and were known as early humans. Life during that time was very hard since they had no technologies or comforts like today. Dear children, many years ago, early humans lived in the jungle and were afraid of bigger and stronger animals. They did not know how to build houses, so they spent the time on the trees or hid themselves behind the bushes. But all these could not help them to save themselves from wild animals and harsh climatic conditions. Then they gradually started living in caves. Early humans were hunter gatherers. They moved from one place to another on foot in search of food and shelter. They ate fruits from trees or roots of plants. They hunted animals and ate them raw as they did not know how to cook food. They used sharp edged stone to kill animals. These stone tools improved with time and requirements. The most important thing is that they ate everything raw, including flesh. Early humans made spears, arms, and axe heads. Gradually, they started making tools with bones. They were used not only for hunting but also for cutting, digging, and sewing. At first, dog was their good companion. Wild animals ran away when dogs barked. Dog was the first pet animal. They took it wherever they went. They covered their bodies with large leaves, barks of trees, and animal skin, which they sewed together with a needle made of bones. Later, they started rearing cattle and were very useful to them. They observed some grains growing along the riverside. They ate and found them very tasty. They observed that the scattered grains were eaten up by birds. They were keen observers. They found that the grains grow with the help of sunshine and rainfall. Thus, they learned the art of cultivation. Humans noticed forest fire. At first, they were afraid of fire. They found some animals died due to fire. They ate the flesh of the burnt animals. It tasted good. They also observed that the spark came out by scratching two stones together. Since then, they ate cooked food. Stone Age. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Early humans used quartzite, a type of stone for making tools and weapons. A type of stone called flintstone was used to produce fire. Which type of stone? Flintstone was used to produce fire. Okay, students, did you understand today's class? A recap of what we have learned in this class. Many years ago, early humans lived in the jungle and were afraid of bigger and stronger animals. They did not know how to build houses, so they spent the time on the trees or hid themselves behind the bushes. But all these could not help them to save themselves from wild animals. Moved from one place to another in search of food, water, and shelter. They ate fruits from trees or roots of plants. They hunted animals and ate them raw as they did not know how to cook food. Okay, students, I hope you have understood today's class. Thank you.